want to be the woman who makes your bad days better. The one that makes you say, my life has changed since I met you.
Today, I take you to be my wife. You are the love of my life, someone who make me happier than I could ever have.
Na kayo ay magsasama sa lahat, kahit sa paghihirap, sa kasaganaan, kalungkutan, kasiyahan, paghihikahos at kasaganaan. Kayong dalawa ay magsasama. Jomar, buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng inyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
I promise to laugh with you in good times. I will love you when we are together and we are apart.